Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and we have another month of the Bargain Bee Box, September 2022. It's here, and I just found out that I had this sitting in my mailbox for a couple of days and didn't realize it. So I'm a little late in getting this up, but yeah, here we go for September 2022. And this month's theme is Misty Rose. And the Bargain Bee Box is, I believe, $19.49 a month. It is a monthly subscription. And while I talk to you as usual, I'm going to show you a few things that I've made so you have something to look at while I'm introducing this box to you. And let's see. So as usual with the Bargain Bee Box, every month is a different theme, which makes it really fun. And this month, as I said, is Misty Rose. So guess what color the components are going to be. I'll let you guess at that. And if you're a subscriber, you will get a 30% off subscription code for their sister store, Bee Box Bargains. Okay, and as always, you can anything you make from their monthly Bargain Bee Boxes, you can submit to their monthly contest. And let's see here, there are 19 components in this month's box. They retail of $74, and we are going to get started in just a second. Just want to talk about this for a minute. So look how beautiful these are. I'm going to do a tutorial on these earrings. I already have a tutorial of the bracelet up on my YouTube channel. I can link it so you can just click on it and go right to it. But this is so cute. These guys, these work up really quick. You know, we have the holidays coming up, so go ahead and make some. There's also a icicle tutorial, well, no, tutorial pattern that is exactly this stitch, but it's icicles you can make for your, you know, Christmas trees that are beautiful. I'll try and do one of those. I haven't made one yet, so I'll be working on that because I do want to make some. But this is such a beautiful stitch. Look at that. And the earrings, there's no tutorial for the earrings yet. I just kind of whipped this up as I went along. It's the same stitch as the bracelet here. I'm calling the stitch a serpentine spiral. Some people call it a staircase spiral. And so I whipped this up on my own and just added the little bicone there. I'll do a tutorial on this. You know, it's really quick. These came out so cute. I just love the way they came out there. Okay, and then I did a necklace. Look at this beautiful necklace. This whips up really quick also. I mean, this is just absolutely gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Look at that sparkle. So easy to make. The clasp is really easy to attach. It's like a what I call a stress-free clasp. It's really easy to put on. So that's just, you know, just beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay, so just wanted to show you what I've been making lately, and we'll get started on the Bargain Bee Box. Let's see here. So this month's beads are inspired by early autumn sunrise. Okay, this month's palette is composed of soft pinks with hints of mauve and red. Our centerpiece is a rose quartz go-go pendant with coordinating rose quartz beads in multiple sizes, tawny pink, rhodonite, and colorful assembled shell rounds. Add to the variety of pink tones along with sparkling crystal, glass, and porcelain accents. Antique copper findings and classic floral round motifs complete the collection. So that's a great color combination. Okay, so let's go with number one. Here we go. So number one is a 15 strand. Let's see if I'm close enough. Yeah, I think that's close enough. Yeah, it's a 15-inch strand, 6mm rose quartz round beads. Okay. Number 2. Number 2 is 1 meter of steel jewelry chain. Very pretty. Number 3. Number 3 is a strand of 8.5 by 5 mil glass rondelle beads in icy pink. Number 4. 4 is a 10-piece. I'm sorry. 4 is a 7 by 5 strand of 10 mil assembled shell and turquoise resin beads. Oh, that's what it says number 4 is. This doesn't look like turquoise to me. Well, maybe it is. Well, whatever it is, it's super, super pretty. These are super pretty. Okay. Number 5, 10-piece, 11.5 mil pressed glass flower cap beads in milky pink. And these are pretty. Look at that. And number 6. Number 6 is a 10-piece, 11.5 go-go charms. There we go. There's our go-go charms. I'll get in a little closer. And number 7. 7 is a 2-piece, 26 by 21 mil floral round chandelier links, and these are super pretty. It's going to go great with those different shades of pink. Look at that. Okay, and number 8. I had bad news about number 8. I did not get number 8 in my kit this month. That's the first time that's ever happened. So number 8, I obviously can't show it to you, but number 8 is a 48 mil floral cutout round medallion pendant, but it's missing in my kit this month. So, bummer. So we'll go on to number 9. It's a 24-piece, 9 mil scalloped bead caps. These are really pretty. These are really decorative. Look at that. Hope you can see that detail on there. Okay, number 10. 10 is a 10-piece, 11 by 10 mil round coin spacer beads. Oh, these are heavy. Look at that. Look how decorative they are. And 11. 11 is approximately 8-inch strand, 6 mil tawny pink rhodonite round beads. And these are pretty. Kind of give it that old world theme. It's really pretty. And 12. 12 is the 14-inch strand, 3 mil round glass beads, matte metallic peacock red. And these are super pretty. I like when they add the different textures. 13. 13 is 40 mil rose quartz go-go pendant. here we go. Look how pretty that is. I have a light background so you might not really see it. I wonder if I can use my phone. Let me see it better there. There we go. Isn't that pretty? It's flat on the back. It's really pretty. Pull my ruler out here. Oops. So there we go. It's a nice big piece. Okay. 14. 14 is 10-piece strand, 10 mil frosted rose quartz, round beads. Pretty. It's frosted, more texture to our design. So pretty. 15. 15 is 6-piece pearl pink porcelain round beads. These are pretty. Kind of like a beigey pink. These are super shiny. 16. 13.5-inch strand. If I can get it open. Oh, here we go. Crystal rondelle beads. Look at that. Sparkle. We got some sparkle. This is gonna look super with the pink and the bronze. Love that. 17. 17 is 5 sets, hook and eye clasp. Let's see. These are pretty. They always have pretty clasp. Look at that. There we go. 18. 18 is 7.5-inch strand, 8 mil faceted rose quartz round beads. Got some more rose quartz. And they're faceted cut. Don't know if you can see that. Which is gonna add some sparkle to the design. And the last 19, 100 pieces of spacer beads. There we go. There's our spacer beads. There's something more on that one. There we go. So, and that is our bargain bead box for September 2022. I love these colors. The pink with the copper. This is just gorgeous. Look at that. So I am missing number 8. Bummer. These are really pretty. Look at that. So thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I appreciate it. I know, we don't always have a lot of time, so I'm trying to be really quick in doing these. And yeah, check out the video on those spirals I was talking about. Really quick and easy to make. And if you have any questions, just put it in the comments. I answer usually right away. So I think that's it. And don't forget to if you can give a thumbs up, it would greatly help my channel. And check out some of my stores on the internet. It's right here where you'll find all my jewelry, the beadedjewelstore.com, which is our Shopify store. We're also on Poshmark. We're also on Etsy. We're also on eBay and Mercari, which I don't have here. It's just too much to put on the card. But yeah, and that's it, guys. I hope you have fun with your bargain bead box. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you should. It is a great value. I mean, this is the first time I've actually missed a piece in the couple of years that I've been getting the box, so it happens. What are you gonna do? And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, all that fun stuff. And oh, I forgot to tell you, this month's Bargain Bead box comes in a pretty pink organza bag here. I think that kind of broke too. There we go. Comes in a pretty pink organza bag. Okay, so thanks again, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, everybody.